Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. Uh, on today's lesson, I'll be teaching us on how to sell Wakanda Inu. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would advise you click on the subscribe button down and you click on the bell button also. Please, subscribing to my channel is free. You'll not be charged a penny. It's a way of saying thank you. Please and please don't leave without subscribing to this channel. So I'll be teaching us on how to sell our Wakanda on Trust Wallet. But first thing first, you should know that before you can sell anything or send any coin from Trust Wallet, you must have BNB Smart Chain. You should know what BNB Smart Chain is. This is BNB Smart Chain. So to sell, you must have BNB Smart Chain on your wallet. So what do we do? If you are using an iOS phone like me, you just go to your browser and you look for Pancakeswap. If you are using an Android, you just locate DAPPS on your Trust Wallet and you open Pancakeswap too. Ensure your wallet is connected like this. Then you come to trade. Wakanda up. Excuse me. Wakanda up. Wakanda or WKD, short form of Wakanda. Okay, if you are experiencing this issue, don't panic. You need the contract address of this coin to be able to swap. So how do we get the contract address, the correct contract address for Wakanda? Okay, I'll check the description. I'll be dropping the correct contract address for Wakanda, but here I would also show you on how to get the contract. So I'll just I'll minimize and come to pull coin. I'll come to pullcoin.app. So this is pullcoin.app. I'll come here, search for Wakanda. So this is Wakanda inu token. So I'll click the first one. I'll come to this logo. Under BSC scan. Or you can as well just go straight to bscscan.com and search for Wakanda. So this is the contract address, the correct one. Just check your description. I'll be dropping it there too for you. So you just come back to your Pancakeswap. So I'm looking for my Pancakeswap. So this is my Pancakeswap. Okay, so I'll just have to paste it here. So as you can see, I just pasted my Wakanda. Click on import. Click on I understand and click on import again. So I am selling Wakanda for BNB or USDT. It depends on what you want to swap it to. BNB or USDT. Note that USDT is a stable coin. So let's swap to USDT. So come to USDT and we type how many Wakanda we want to swap. If you want to swap, or you click on max, then you click on enable, then you click on swap. For me, I don't want to swap my Wakanda. This is just for educational purpose. Please, if you have any questions, drop it at the comment section and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Thank you for staying till the end.